Good morning and welcome to Computer Graphics Summer Course based on the web for summer 2012. We have a lot more people signed up for this class than I had originally intentioned, so we're going to have to be very creative with the way we got our software distributed, and until we can get all the software in and distributed into all the participants. In this course, we're going to cover the basic fundamentals of 3D graphics, how to create models, how to arrange cameras, how to move things around on the screen, how to do some simple animation, and just how to pretty much have fun with using two of the most powerful packages that are available for the PC and for the Mac these days. The first we're going to use is Poser, and you'll have Poser for your machine. It will be Poser 8 Debut. I have for the first 12 people, for the first 10 people, I have free copies of this, but if you signed up a little bit later, we're going to have to work out something to in order to get you a copy of that. First of all, we're going to open Poser 2012. I'm using the Poser Pro version because that's what I've been using all along. The actual functionality and fundamentals of it are pretty much the same. The only reason you would ever want to use the Pro version is if you were doing some very, very high resolution images and some multi-frame animation. Okay, so in this case right here, when we open it opens up with the default of the character here, and you can come in and Poser, you can move things around, you can change the body, you can do all kind of things, and we'll go into each one of these commands, but I just wanted to show you how really simple it is to make very simple changes to the actual Poser Pro figure. Now, the advantage of working with the stick figure model is it's easier to see where the pieces are there, and then when you come back, you can overlay the actual physical characteristics, whether male or female, or dogs, cats, whatever. You can do all kind of stuff with the basic figures in Poser Pro. In this case right here, I'm going to go ahead and for just quickly, I'm going to render this picture so that you see this is quite a slow process when you get some complex scenes. But in this case right here, since we have a simple ending in the scene, you can see here now that how the model shows up, and you can see the way the different lighting perspectives show on the model. It's as simple as that. Now, doing these posings and constructing these figures and getting the right clothes and right background settings and so forth is not easy, but actually working with the figures is quite easy and quite fun to do this particular activity. Okay, so now in this case right here, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to quit Poser Pro, and I'm not going to save that figure. And this is the first of the two packages that we will be using. The second package we will be using will be View, and in this case right here, I'm going to open up View. Now I have the simple Frontier package of this. This package is $49.95 from the Eon software, and it has all the capabilities of the more complex software building packages. It just won't allow you to do the high resolution stuff, and it's not quite as fast as some of the other things. So there's a Kickstart tutorial that comes with this. I would suggest that you go through this and take a look at this, although it has no sound on it, and we will cover all the stuff in here. As you see now, it opens up in 4 different scenes. You can see the main camera scene. You can see things from the side, from the top, and from the front. I actually hit the mouse against the keyboard here and move things around. We'll go into how to manipulate all these things a little bit later on in the actual course itself. So in this case right here, I'm going to quit View, and now I'm going to stop my video, and in the syllabus you will find the instructions of how to get the software and what to do with it once you get it. In this case right here, I'm going to stop the capture.